Hi, I'm Shord. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Nissan smartkey from an old key to a new casing. I'll first show you how to open the key and then what exactly you need to transfer to the new key. The only thing you'll need for this is a flathead screwdriver. We're going to proceed as follows. On the back, we see a little slider here, and we push it away from us. While doing that, we can pull the emergency key out of the casing and set it aside for now. Here we now see a small edge, and this is actually the notch that separates the top of the casing from the bottom. So if we now insert our screwdriver here and start to gently pry it open, you'll often find it opens up very quickly and nicely. And this is what we find inside. So here we have a rubber mat, which I'll immediately put back as part of the casing, and the electronics. And on the other side, we have the battery here. Unfortunately, I don't have another key for this right now, so I'm just going to put them back into the same casing. But we need to pay attention to the following things. First of all, make sure to check whether the battery holder, which in this model can be in two different positions, matches between the original model and the new model. So are the pins here on the same side, or are they shown here at the top? If you notice that the inside is different between the original model and the new model, just send us an email at info@autosyslutel.nl and we'll take a look at which casing you actually need. Now, first, we insert the bow, the battery, and make sure that the text on the battery, so one side you see a plus sign and CR2032, is facing downwards towards the casing. Place it properly in its spot, and then we also put in the electronics. The electronics can only be inserted one way, thanks to all the notches in the casing. The only thing you need to pay attention to here is that the buttons you see, the micro switches, are facing downwards towards the casing. When you press the button on the key in a moment, it's actually this little switch that does the work. So we also put that in place. We slide it into the correct position. If you can't slide it any further, then you know it's in the right spot. Put the top part back on. We wait for a firm click. And finally, we also put the emergency key back in its place. With the emergency key, you can always choose for yourself. Do you want to have the new key cut, or do you want to use the old one? Sometimes you'll notice that with an original smart key, the casing is a bit worn, and it often looks nicer to have the new one freshly cut. Of course, you can have that done with us, but it can also be done at many locksmiths near you. And that's how you transfer this key from the old model to the new casing. Hey, hopefully everything went well with transferring your key casing. If you didn't quite manage to figure it out, you'll find our contact information in the description below this video, or you can leave a comment under this video and I'll be happy to help you further. Success!